excited making this presentation for you. So enjoy watching it. And here's the first person. One of the most important things of taking care of the island is to know all about its natural inhabitants. And we have the right person. Here comes Elena, a qualified biologist. Woohoo! Applause to the Elena.
Life there may be too isolated without keeping in touch with the mainland. So we have a real hero, Alexandra, a daring pilot who helps us to collect the mail from the opposite side of the sea.
Woo! Woo! And of course we have to take care of the house where we live. So Vinicius know all about maintenance, repairing, cleaning and cooking.
Yeah, men are always better to cook than eat anyway.
Come on.
And to share, to show for all the world and blog everything, we have an adventurous blogger, Ines.
Yes. Hello. All of us have experience in different fields of activities, and we can speak different languages, but we're adventurous, daring, and interested in everything. We want to explore all the hidden treasures of the world. We have different personalities, but we are still a team. Come on, guys.
Let's go!